BigCommerce is a fully hosted platform, which means that merchants don't need to worry about managing the technical aspects of the online store, such as server maintenance, security, or software updates. This allows them to focus on growing their business and providing a great customer experience. Overall, BigCommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform that provides businesses with everything they need to create and manage a successful online store. Its flexibility, scalability, and ease of use make it a popular choice of businesses of all sizes and industries. The first step is to sign up for a BigCommerce account. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the BigCommerce dashboard. First of all, you click Login. You click Sign Up. You key in your first name, your last name, phone number, email address, password, your store name. You can also change this at any time. And what size is your online business? This one you can select I haven't started selling yet, no revenue. So I will choose this one, or you can choose I am not sure. But for me, I will choose I haven't started selling yet, no revenue. Thereafter everything key in, then you click I am not a robot. Then proceed with create your store. Click this one. Now your BigCommerce store is ready, so you have to key in, do you have an existing website? Or no? I click no. What will you be selling? A lot of things you can sell, for example, animals and pet supplies, fashion, art, baby stuff, business, CBD, digital goods or software, education, electronics, food and beverage, hardware and tools, health and beauty, and so on. There are tons of categories that you can choose from. For me, I will be doing fashion and apparel. So I will pick this one. What best describes how you currently sell your products? So I sell mainly in person or in retail stores. Or I'm not selling yet. I will choose I'm not selling yet because I still haven't started selling anything yet. So I will choose this one. Then I click finish. So this is my BigCommerce dashboard. No? I have already created an account. So next step is I have to add the products that I'm going to sell, and I will start to design the website of my store. The first step is you go to products. Then under products, you have to add your own products. For my store, I will mainly selling t-shirt at the moment for both women and men t-shirt. So for the basic information, I will tick this one, visible on storefront, your product name. So you key in your product name. For product name, you key in men t-shirt. SKU, you can write the number. Maybe you can write 0001, for example. The product type, whether it is physical or digital. For my store, this is physical, so I will pick physical. The default price, you can set your currency. Because I'm in Malaysia, so I will set RM. For this clothes, yes, 35 ringgit is reasonable. So I state 35 ringgit Malaysia. Brand, this is actually a common good, so I choose common good. The weight of a t-shirt is around 0.3 kg. So the category, these are actually the default category. So for my case, I will add category. I will add man t-shirt category. So I click done. This is man t-shirt. Okay. For the description, you fill in the description of your man t-shirt. This is the category. You can actually edit the font here. Okay, you can select all, edit the font, maybe Arial. The font is 12. You can add bullet or not if you want. Number also can. Or you can bold. Or you can bold it. Or add link if you want. So next, we will move to images and video. So you can add your images from URL, or you can upload your image. For me, I will upload my image. I will pick this one, man t-shirt, black color. The description for this image. So this is the description for this man t-shirt. Next, you can drag and drop images here to upload if you have other image of this t-shirt. You can also add video if you have. Product identifier. So this number is 0001. Manufacturer, if you have, you key in. If you don't have, you don't need to key in. Product. Global trade item, I don't need to key in anything. And the picking number also, I don't need to key in anything. For the pricing, just now the default price is, I key in 35 ringgit Malaysia. Tax class. This one is default tax class on non-taxable product. So I pick default tax class. Inventory, yes, I pick track inventory on the product level. Okay, can. Stock, if I have 100. Low stock maybe 20. For the product option, you can add variant option if you have a few variant. So you click add variant option. Add variant option, you select this one. Color. Rectangle is okay, or you can choose swatch, radio buttons, or drop down. But for me, I will choose rectangle list. Yes, I have red, I have white, and I have black. Save variant. I have 3. Then I have to add the images one by one. This is red, white, and black. The prices are the same, 35. Then is customizations. For the customization, you can add modifier options like a text box, checkbox, or file upload to enable further product customization. Modifier option, no modifier option has been added yet. If you want to add modifier, you can add, but for me, I don't need. Storefront, this one you can set up later on. For the storefront detail, you can set as feature product on my storefront. So you key in all the keywords that is related to your store and related to your item for sale. I will key in the keywords like this. For example, men's t-shirt, crew neck t-shirt, short sleeve t-shirt, and so on. Sort number, this is product short order defaults to 0. So I will make it 0. Template layout file, if you want, you can key in, but I don't have anything to key in. Warranty information also, if you want to key in, then you just key in. Availability text usually ships in 24 hours. You can write if you have. The conditions. For me, all the shirts, all the item I sell is new. So I will choose the new. You can pick used or refurbished. For my case, is new. You can tick this one, show condition on storefront, so that they know that your items are new. Custom field, related field, okay, fulfillment, dimensions and weight. The weight is 0.3, the width is about 20 cm, height is 30 cm, and the depth is 10 cm. So you just key in the volume of your item, of your parcel. Shipping details, normally I will make it 0 shipping price because my price fee has already included in my selling price. So you can tick free shipping. For me, I feel that normally customer will love to purchase the item with free shipping. So if you want your sale to get better, so you better make it free shipping, and you have to include your shipping fee in your selling price. Purchase ability, gift wrapping. For me, I don't allow this item to be gift wrap. For SEO sharing, this one will boost your traffic to your online businesses. So you have to key in the title, the page title for SEO search. Man t-shirt, product URL, you can key in man t-shirt like this. and you write the meta description. Do you know what is meta description? Okay, let me show you an example like man t-shirt. I type in man t-shirt in Google, then all this man t-shirt will come out. This one is actually the meta description. So you have to describe your product here. This is called meta description. I will write my meta description like this. Open graph sharing, I don't need to do anything here. So I have completed my man t-shirt item. So I click save. Now, this product has been saved successfully. If you have other product, so you click add again. Besides I have man t-shirt, I have another woman t-shirt. So I will type here woman t-shirt. The SKU also 0. The product also physical. The price maybe I make it $40, 40 ringgit Malaysia. Brand also common good. The weight is also 0.3 kg. So I add category. This is woman t-shirt category. So I click done. This is my woman t-shirt category. Description. So I write this description. Next is image and video. So you drag and drop the images here to upload, or you can click the upload image here. So I have already uploaded an image here. Then you write the description for this image. This is woman t-shirt, so you write the description for this t-shirt. Then when you scroll down, okay, you can drag and drop a few images here. For example, the front, the back, and so on. You can put a few images here. But for me, this is tutorial only, so I just give you one sample. Product identifier, the SKU is 0002. The rest, I don't need to fill in anything. Pricing, I fix it at 40 ringgit Malaysia. Inventory, yes, this one I will take track inventory, so that when my stock, I put it 100 stock. So low stock is 20. I set it 20. Means that if my stock is lower than 20 pieces, it will notify me. Variation. You can choose your own variation, for example, the color or the type and so on. But for this tutorial, I don't need to add anything because I will make the procedure simple. I just teach you the way how to upload, how to set your product, and how to upload the picture, the photo, that's it. Customization, you don't need to fill in anything. Storefront, for this storefront keywords, you need to fill in the keywords for this, because if you fill in the keywords, you will increase your possibility to be found by your customer. These are the relevant keywords for my woman t-shirts. So you have to put few more keywords if you can, so that this one will increase your chances to be found by your customers. For the short order, you don't need to fill in. Okay, that is not important. For the condition, if this is new, then you have to pick the new or used or refurbished. For my case, my clothes are all new, so I take new. Short condition on storefront, yes, I take this one. Then you fill in the dimension or weight. For a t-shirt is around 0.3 kg. You can estimate it, or you can weigh your own products so that you can give a more accurate weight. Width is around 20 cm. The height is 30 cm. The depth is 10 cm. So you have to measure your own parcel and put the accurate dimension. Shipping detail, normally I like to make it free shipping. The rest, no need to fill in anything. Okay. For this title, this is woman t-shirt. You can put the same product URL as well. But this one is not valid, so you put it 1. See whether it is valid. Okay, yeah. Woman t-shirt 1. This one is valid. Then you write the meta description. If you want to be found easily in the Google, so you have to key in the page title, product URL, and the meta description with keywords. Then you click save. this product has been saved successfully. So you go to view, then you can view your product. So 002 and 001 has already been added. For the current stock level, you can see from the stock level bar, it will show you the current stock level. Then you go to product category. These are all the default category. So you have to pick the category that you don't need. For example, utility, publication, kitchens, garden, bath, and shop all. Then you click delete. Please confirm your selection. Then you click delete. All the other categories have already been deleted, and your man t-shirt and woman t-shirt are stay in this category. Then you click storefront. You go to storefront. You click the theme marketplace. Then there are tons of themes for you to choose from. So there are free themes and the paid themes. For my niche, it is related to fashion and jewelry. So I click this one. I will select free theme. So I pick the first one. This one, Vote Bright. You can preview your theme or you straight away add theme. Then you click apply now. Do you want apply bright to your store? Yes, confirm. So your theme has already been added to your store. Now you click customize to edit the theme. So this is your page builder. So this is your theme. Your page look like this. This is your woman t-shirt and the man t-shirt. The picture, the images that you uploaded just now. For this page builder, there are a lot of features that is drag and drop. So you can drag and drop layout. For example, you want to add a layout here. So you just drag the layout here. Drop your widgets here. Okay, the layout, you can adjust the column. If you want two, then these are two. This is 2 column. You want 3 column or you want 4 column. It is up to you. And the column layout, you can adjust also. You can make it smaller or you can make it bigger. You can adjust, play around with this. The margin, the padding, you can adjust. Layout background, layout border. You can all adjust yourself. You can add the text also, drag and drop the text. You can put your text here or wherever place you want to put and edit the font, the color, and so on. And images, you can add images and edit also if you want. You can delete it if you don't want. Okay. For this text, if you don't want, you delete it. For here also, column, the layout you can delete. This layout also delete. Column, then you layout, delete. Okay, your product has already been here. Okay, for me, this looks good. You can add your product set here. Product set, you can add your product. Add your product here. Man t-shirt. Okay, then the second one, you type woman t-shirt. This is the second one. The third and the fourth, you don't need to add anything, so you just delete these 2. So you make products per slides 2 only. Because you have 2 category only, just make it 2. So you have 2 category only. After you have done all this, then you go to theme style. You can edit your style if you want. Global. Global means that you can edit the color. If you want to change to gray, it will become gray and so on. You can play around with the primary color background color and lines, the body text and lines, body text and links, heading, and so on. Mobile, you can add the mobile if you want. Header and footer, you can adjust yourself. Home page, show carousel, if you want to show then you just show, if you don't want then you just delete. This one actually can be edited. Later I will try to edit the carousel and so on. This is the default carousel. If you want your own carousel, then you pick from this carousel and drop here, drag and drop here. So this is your own carousel. So you can edit your carousel over here. You go to theme style, you go to home page, you remove your previous carousel. All these three, the previous carousel has been removed. So this is your current carousel. So you can edit it yourself. You can change the slide. You change to your own photo. Background, you change. Slide 1, you change the background. You can upload your own images. And the slide 2, you go to here, background. Then you can change the images. Once you are done, then you click save button. Or before you save, you can preview it. Okay, whether you are satisfied with your own page, with your own website, then you can view it with desktop preview. This is your tablet preview like this, or your mobile preview. Are you satisfied? If you are satisfied, then you click save. Then you return to your control panel. Then you can edit your logo as well. You click logo. Then you can select your logo type. You can enter the text to display as your logo, or you can upload a custom image to use as your logo. Favicon. Favicon is actually the logo over here that you can change. You can go to Canva and design your own logo or your favicon. So your custom size, you can make it, for example, 500 times 500 for a logo. Then you click create new design. There are a lot of templates for you to choose from. If you want logo, you can type logo. For example, this one. Then you change the wording. Then you can edit this one, store. So my store name is Vivian Store. And then you can edit the background if you want to change it, maybe to make it darker purple. This color is not bad. Okay, maybe you can make it like this. Then you save it, share. You click download. Click download. Then you go back to your BigCommerce website. Then you upload. You upload your favicon here. Replace image. So your favicon is already here. So you click save. Then you go back to your store. Theme. Customize. So this is your logo. Okay, so already done. Everything has already been done. So your logo. This is your header. You can change your header if you want. You can drag and drop all the items if you want. This is carousel. You can edit the images, the background, the wording. This one you can be removed. So the product, there are two types of product. One is man product and woman product. You can click this man product. There are a few. Just now you have already added the variation of the color red, white, and black. You can test yourself. Every time you test yourself, whether all the stuff is working well in your website. Then after you have selected one, then you click add to cart. This website is successful because you have come to this page. Then you can continue shopping. Okay, you will proceed to checkout or view or edit. We try to proceed to checkout. Yes, you can enter your email, then you can continue to make the purchase here. So this website is successful. We have already done this BigCommerce tutorial. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.